I'm gonna give you a quick tip on MetaMask. It's probably a basic one, but very much ignored and often goes unnoticed. All right. First of all, quick tip: you need to get a Ledger wallet. I use a Ledger Nano X, which is really quick, fast, and it connects. You don't need to. It has a built-in Bluetooth which connects to your iPhone app, and it's really, like I said, convenient. So far, I had no issues. All right, so get a Ledger Nano, connect it with your MetaMask. That's number one. And number two, never give your seed phrase to anybody. Write it down and put it somewhere physical. All right, don't save it on your computer or any USB device or thumb drive or whatever. Print it out or write it down somewhere clear and put it in a safe or somewhere that, and make sure you remember, because if you forget, then it won't make any sense unless you have a memory of a goldfish. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyways, third, head over to etherscan.io/token approval checker. I'm gonna put the link in the description. All right, and connect your MetaMask. Matter of fact, you're gonna see some crazy sites. I don't know why I have pussy token. Yeah, I probably bought some pussy token. It's embarrassing. It's crazy. So revoke access to whatever. If you don't need any of these, okay, just revoke access. Matter of fact, last time I checked, it requires gas fee. That doesn't make sense. Just revoke access, I have to pay $20-30 gas fee. Man, Ethereum is getting on my nerves. So anyways, this is kind of important, because if you don't need any of these, you don't want connected, right? So revoke access. Fourth, head over to MetaMask. This is just probably a quick tip. If you have connections issue like congestion and all that kind of stuff, or something's processing for a long time and you're stuck, just head over to settings. Okay, click on this button, go to settings, go to advanced, and over here, reset account. Okay, it says resetting account will clear your transaction history. This will not change the balances in your accounts or require you to re-enter your secret recovery phrase. Right? You get the point? It's not going to reset your entire account. It's just clearing the transactions. So reset account, and you're good to go. All right. And fourth or fifth. I don't know if there's any. Oh, fifth. Click on this, the three dots. All right. Again, this is pretty obvious, but pretty unnoticed. All right, often goes unnoticed. Click on connected sites. You see, there are a crazy amount of sites here, all connected to my MetaMask. I don't need them, right? So, for example, yeah, there are some I use it on a daily basis, but there are several I don't need them. I probably used decades ago, and for example, bootleg. Yeah, some rugs. Crazy stuff. All you have to do is just click on disconnect. That's it. I mean, there are a lot. For me, there's a lot. There are a lot. So you might not have as many as mine, but yeah, if you don't need them, so just disconnect them. All right. I don't know why you need to do it. Maybe it's safer. Maybe, but I like to keep it clean. That's how I am. All right. So that's all I got for you. So stay safe. Again, recap. Get a hardware wallet. Connect with MetaMask, and write down your seed phrase. Never give it to anybody, not even me. Never. All right. And third, head over to etherscan.io token approval checker and check out all the sites that you're connected to. Make sure you check out the 3 tabs: ERC20, ERC721, and all of them. I don't have any in the other tabs, but you probably might. All right. Check them out. Revoke access. Fourth, I showed you the resetting for congestion, and the fifth one is the connected sites. Just remove them. You don't need them. All right. So yeah, that's all I got for you.